If you're a French language student who's a beginner or on an intermediate level who's learning French in India or anywhere around the world, learning French in France will make a big difference. I'm going to tell you all the reasons of why you need to learn French in France and also all the advantages that you'll get as a French language student.
Bonjour et bienvenue à Journey to Fluency. Donc, premièrement, j'ai la confiance pour parler en français couramment, which wasn't before I went, even though I had completed like B2 level in French language. The reason being is when you hear the French native speaker speak live in a French environment, and when you have to respond to them live is completely different than you do in your own country or through the video classes. And that's one of the reasons why the whole language fluency changes when you study the French language in France. So the next highlight of my experience in France was immersing into the French culture. So when you learn the French language in France, it's not just the command that you practice in the language, but it's also how much you will immerse yourself in the culture, which you can never experience in your home country. For example, just the native way of how to order a baguette in a boulangerie, or also how to cut the cheese properly. Speaking of culture, it's also you connect to a lot of individuals from different countries, because when you are learning French in France, you are not really learning with the natives, but students or the professionals from different countries. So I met people from Canada to Japan, and even from the places that I could never imagine I could meet in my lifetime, which is, for example, Iceland. Next is access to MediaTek. Now, if you are a French language student, you need to have this access because it's much more interesting concept than libraries. In the MediaTek, you can find like books, movies, and even workshops. All of this that you can get for free. As a student, you can utilize it. It is city owned and it is available in all the cities of France. Even in the smallest city, you will find this MediaTek, which fosters the communication for the French language. And the best part is traveling in neighboring cities and villages becomes easy and economical because you get a lot of student discounts in France. If you wish to travel in France to learn French, you can start with joining a linguistic trip, which we do almost every year. You can find all the details of these educational trips in the description box below, where we take you to a small town in France where you learn in a French school and also travel to Paris for 3 days as a tourist. Lastly, just the method of teaching. So the way the French native teach you is completely different from your own home country, and it's an experience that if you're a language student you need to have. And it's also something different that you will experience if you're a language student. I would recommend that if you're at a B1 and B2 level, it's much more understandable and not that challenging. You adapt more, you learn more, and also the kind of resources that the French native have is like really different, because in France they use like different ways of learning through websites and audio-visual practices, which is not really available in India. And of course, the biggest reason is it is so easy to find work and internship because you're a language student, you can speak that language, and it's great to network around. Even if you're a student or still studying, you can go to learn French in France and you can try the bénévolat position, that is like volunteering, which is a lot promoted and accepted in France. Students do it, even working professionals do it for their sabbatical year. So this is all that I have experienced, and hope this helps you to discover different opportunities. Hope this helps you to discover different reasons or to know more about studying French in France. If you have any questions, do comment down below, and thank you for watching. Merci. Ciao.